Hey, what's up guys, I'm here. So this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro in my hand again. So every user has some different requirements and expectations from a smartphone. Some people want good battery life, some people want good camera, some people want good performance. Though this device has all these three things in a good precision. But at some point this device lacks and will change your decision. Why should you not purchase this device? So in this video I will share those 5 drawbacks of this device which will change your mind before purchasing this device. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So first thing is this, no USB Type-C port. So like last year in the Redmi Note 4, people were expecting a USB Type-C port, but the Xiaomi was ended up again with the micro USB port. So this time people expectations were little higher from the Redmi Note 5 Pro, but again no USB Type-C port. I don't know what Xiaomi is doing, using 18:9 Full HD plus, a rounded corner, amazing display, dual camera on the back, but using a old micro USB port. Is this really a 2018 for Xiaomi? I think no. Second thing is the old Android version, Android Nougat, in the Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. Just few days back, Google already launched the Android P developer preview for Pixel devices. And just one step back, there is Android Oreo, but Xiaomi is using Android Nougat in this 2018. We all know that Android Oreo update will come definitely, but when? Xiaomi recently launched MIUI 9.5 version for Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus, in which you will get tons of features and iPhone 10 gestures, but that MIUI version is still based on Android Nougat. Maybe Xiaomi will take 2-3 months to get Android Oreo update, maybe, I don't know. But third thing is no 4K video recording in native camera app. It can record video up to 1080p only, though it has an electronic image stabilization, which is really good. But to record 4K videos we need to install a third-party camera app. We can install Open Camera, which I generally say. So why should we download an extra app to record 4K videos? So Xiaomi can fix this or provide an update through software so that we can record 4K videos. So the fourth thing is the high pricing for the 6GB RAM version. Also, I think Xiaomi should sell the 4GB RAM version for 13,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees for the 6GB RAM version. But you need to pay 14,000 for the 4GB RAM version, and if you want that extra 2GB RAM, means 6GB RAM version, then you need to pay extra 3,000 rupees. And one of the big disadvantage in this is the storage. You are getting only 64GB in both these variants and only 2GB RAM extra. I don't think that 6GB RAM is required for multitasking, for huge apps, games. You can do all your work in 4GB RAM version, so just stick with the 4GB RAM version and go for that. Don't pay extra 3,000 rupees for just only 2GB RAM. Just don't buy the 6GB RAM version. It's not worth the money. So fifth and the last thing is the fast charging. This device supports fast charging, but Xiaomi is providing only normal charger in the package. Though you can purchase any third-party fast charger, or you can purchase the original one from Xiaomi store, or you can buy from offline market too a fast charger. But why we are paying extra amount of money for the fast charger? This device supports fast charging, so Xiaomi should provide a fast charger in the package. And why we are paying extra 3,000 rupees for 2GB smartphones? So Xiaomi is increasing the price, and also they are not providing things properly in the package. So I think next year Redmi Note 6 price will move from budget price bracket to the mid-range smartphones if this thing continuously going on. So that's pretty much it guys. These are all the cons and flaws which I want to share in this video. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more videos if you already haven't, and make sure to give your feedback about this video and about this phone in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon in my next video.